Yeah, I'm Fundis Biya, the District Director of UGU, DOE, in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. The strategy of the district at the first level is that of participating in community structures by different officials. 2019, we came up with a strategy of interacting with educators who are teaching grade 12s. We had to identify challenges together, hold conversations with them, and came up with solutions together. We had to meet with principals of schools, and most importantly, we get a lot of support from educators. So educators were motivated. These results are the results of our educators in the district. We are relying heavily on maths advisors, maths educators, and principals of schools to advise our learners. The numbers that are taking mathematics in our district are very high. So it's a question of who you recruit at the level of advisors, at the level of departmental heads. Who do you recruit at the level of maths educators? Because those are the people who will be able to communicate effectively, appropriately with learners, with parents, with principals of schools, even advise circuit managers as to the situation at the level of mathematics. We are in the process of expanding this area in our district. We are looking at the material we have in terms of educators. We are also working together with the GET phase to profile educators at the level of GET so that we meet the needs of learners from grade 10 to 12. We are supported by educators capable of handling these subjects. We are involving the public at the level of parents, subject by subject, but we are also participating in different structures of communities, like your war rooms in different circuits, where we work together with different departments. So we partner those schools with schools that are doing well. That then the drivers of that program will be circuit managers. In each and every circuit, we had to come up with a specific program, profiling educators. Where possible, we had to swap educators, we had to swap management. We have improved the level of promotions, principals of schools, managers who are going to be responsible for school programs. But our main focus this year is around the whole issue of managing from each subject.